Today we're gonna make Casey barbecue pulled pork and buffalo ranch and Italian seasoning garlic wings. Got my pans all ready and prepped to go. Due to a lack of time, I thawed my wings in the oven. I'm gonna take my pan of wings and drain them over the sink. I got my buffalo rub, ranch powder, some garlic salt, Italian seasoning, and my handy dandy tongs. No stick spray. I'm gonna spray it on the pans and go to work. Flop in the wings. Take my ranch and buffalo, set the ranch aside for now. Spread the buffalo seasoning on the top. I'll get the bottom later. On the other pan, it's time for Italian seasoning and garlic. Shake, 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 shake. Shake the bottle, shake the bottle. And voila, ready for the smoker. Maintain the temperature between 200 and 225. The wings will take 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm going to pull the pulled pork out of the fridge. You'll need Casey barbecue rub and a whole lot of brown sugar. And of course, tongs. 1 slab per pan. Once the rubs had a chance to set, flip the meat. And we're going to dump some on the pulled pork. And we'll put more sugar on later in the smoker. You may need to adjust the temperature now that you're putting the pulled pork in. We're going to use the thermometer. Our target temperature is 255. When the wings really get cooking, we're going to flip them over and put some seasoning on the other side. After a while, add water to the wood chips. As promised, we're going to add just a little more brown sugar. I only got to cook the pulled pork for 6 hours. You want to cook it for at least 8 or more. If needed, finish the pulled pork off in the oven. Now that the pulled pork is out, we'll finish off the wings in the bottom of the smoker. And finally, we'll throw on the ranch. Awkward. we're going to pull out the wings and crisp them in the oven. Let's add some ranch to the other side of the buffalo ranch wings. Check the wings in the broiler every 3 minutes or so. Drain the pulled pork. Without gloves, I'm going to use a knife and a fork to pull the pork. And voila, pulled pork, Italian seasoning, garlic wings, and buffalo ranch wings. And here it's all plated together with some potatoes you saw me make. Enjoy, and we'll catch you next time.